Hello you, how are you today? Here's a look at the Goodwill grab bag before we opened it in part 1. This is part 2. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a little link up at the top in the right hand corner for you. We found so many great pieces in that first part. Let's hope we do in the second part as well. Just a refresher, we found pieces from 9 West, Kenneth Cole, lots of those vintage bubblegum bead necklaces, and lots of other goodies, including a possible Chanel bag chain. So cool. By the way, if you haven't seen the previous bag that we opened where I found a $1,000 David Yurman bracelet and basically lost my mind, I'll put that link above as well. Let me quickly thank all of my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so you never miss our treasure hunts together. So let's get started on part 2. What have we here? That is super fun. I love the pink. There's so many in this bag. Some nice little beads. Blue beads. Nice long necklace too. You should be able to loop that over and make it double it. It's like a collar necklace. But I tell you, the pendant is quite heavy and it looks like it only has one side to it. It looks wrong. Oh wait, no, it's on the other side. It just hadn't fallen down. I didn't notice though, so I'll notice later, of course. That's fashionable. Casey, Kenneth Cole. Found that before. I like it. And a bracelet. Little bracelet, stretch bracelet. Okay. Kind of goes with that other necklace up there, top right. This is vintage. Look at that. Beautiful. Holy cow. Yep. That is fantastic. And that kind of thing you can wear with just about anything. Black, white, clear, pearls. Oh. Okay. Is this one of the faith? That looks like a faith bracelet. Yeah, the charms. Like the leg charm. I believe that's something where you might have had pain in your leg. So you're praying for help with that pain. And those balls, I believe those are the lapis lazuli. Not sure what all of those charms stand for, but that leg, I'm pretty sure I've seen that before. This one, oh, it says tired. Oh man, I'm just tired, right? Just wear that. There's an M on it. Not sure what that is. If I looked that up, I'll put it above so you can see what it was. I'll do that with anything because sometimes when I'm doing the recording, I don't know what it is yet. And then if I look it up afterwards, I'll be able to tell you. And I'll put that above. What do we have here? Oh, okay. Those are hematite little balls. Beads. It's got that weight to it too. Look at how darling this is. You could wear that with fancy or cash, you know? That's so beautiful. No maker though. That's okay. We always say it's okay because it is okay. We would prefer a designer, but we're good. I mean, most of my stuff is not that I wear all the time isn't a designer. It just goes along with the outfit, right? This does not even have. I'm looking right now for an opening to see if there's a spot that should be behind the neck or in the front, and it doesn't have one, so we're just going to go with that. Nice. It's like, it's not wood. but it is like carved plastic. Very interesting beads. Ooh, look at the carved ones, those tall, long ones. Oh yeah. That's neat. Look at this little guy. Just a little pearl at the end. Has some glue issue there. I try to fix those if I can. You don't want to break it, but you also can't sell it to someone with that kind of nonsense going on. And if I can't fix it, I usually put it in like a, not a junk lot, but kind of a repair lot or something. Ooh, that's real neat. It says canvas on it. It has gold accents and that little bead. Ball pendant. This is heavy. You can hear it tinking on the ground there. I like all the metal work on those rings. Oh goodness, no mark. It's to be expected. That's so long, my goodness. Oh, nice. All right, so this is just like the other one, the one that I have back there that's more cream colored discs. So you could wear those together or you could wear them separate. I love when people buy this kind of, it gives them more options. If they liked it in the first place, why wouldn't you get that again, right? Oh, it's like faceted glass beads. I like amber. Isn't that neat? That's got to be 40, at least 40 inches long. A lot of these necklaces were very long. Okay, I'm seeing this one. I want to get that out, but I'm just going on to the bracelet. That's cool. Little stretch bracelet. So this is a knotted mess of stuff in here in the middle. I think I zipped through this for you so you don't have to sit there and deal with it. That's an interesting bracelet. Little toggle bracelet. I like the red. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh. Oh my gosh, do you know what that looks like? And I've seen this before. I can't remember her name. I will put it up there. It's like LELE. It's a rainbow necklace. And then it's got that Baroque pearl at the bottom. It's like a lariat necklace. Comes down and then has that little draw at the bottom. That little straight line pendant kind of thing at the bottom. What's it say under my thumb? Move your thumb. Move your thumb, lady. Oh, I'm trying to fix that. So it's a cute little butterfly. Is that enamel? Paula. Okay, Paula, this one's for you. I'm trying to get this vintage necklace out here. Let's go. Look at all that. Oof. Hey, we've got like a lime and a green, a lime green, and then a darker green. Look at that. Is that an emerald green? I don't know what that green, that darker green's called. I was going to say forest, and that's not right. It's a pretty gold necklace. I like the little loops. See, that's another long necklace. Yeah, I like those little rings. It's pretty. How long is this? Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. That's got to be maybe 40 inches. Wait, there's a hang tag. Let me see. Tell me what it is. Is that a Monet? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I love that. I'm immediately excited now, even more excited than I was a second ago, because it's a Monet. Oh, love it. This is it's just pretty. It's very pretty. I like that the clear stones, faceted stones in there. Wear that with anything too. I mean, anything that goes with the silver. Oof. What's with all the long, crazy long necklaces? It's this black one. Ugh. See, every time I have to kind of fight through it to find where the closure is, so that I can show it to you as an actual necklace to show you the drop part. Sometimes I can't tell whether it's just a really, really long necklace or if it's multi-chain and they're all hooked so that you can't separate it. This is a multi-chain with those black beads. That's pretty. Can I get to this vintage one yet? It's just so tied up. Look at that. Cool. That's got to be, that's older. That is 50s, maybe? 50s, 60s? I wonder if it's lucite. I'll have to take a look at that more. Oh, not marked, but that's okay. Somebody had that in an estate sale. Whenever I see those little colored pieces of thread, you know that that was at an estate sale. And they just haven't taken it off because it had a tag on it that had a price. I mean, it could have been at the Goodwill. That is true. But typically, that's not what they do. They have these little white with the white string instead of a colored string. Oh. Oh, that's so cool, isn't it? Oh my goodness. That is, oh, it's a panther pendant necklace from, see the little heart? That is STELLA DOT. STELLA DOT is that brand. And that's a panther pendant necklace. Isn't that neat? I love it. That's like right there. That necklace is worth like $75. I can't believe these bags have been so tremendously good lately. Oh, that kind of looks like milk glass. Yeah. Oh, hey, Trifari. Trifari, Trifari, Trifari. I'll say it again, Trifari. I'm super excited. That is amazing. I love those beads. We're doing so good. This is seriously, I don't even know what to say. I get so excited about this stuff. Oh, there's a tremendously long necklace as well. Wow. Let's push it all together here. I'll zoom through it here in a sec and let you see all the goodies. Don't want to push them all too close together, so then you can't see anything. Spread it out just a little. So there ended up being 70, close to 70, 68. 68. I had to look at my note. There's 68. There's 58 necklaces and 10 bracelets. Amazing. Well, another great mystery bag. I love that we found some designer brands, especially the Trifari and the Monet. Love those. Plus all of the vintage jewelry, the bubble bead necklaces. So fun. I hope you enjoyed all these goodies. I post jewelry unboxing videos once or twice a week, so please hit the subscribe button so you never miss a treasure hunt together. Thanks again to all my current subscribers, and as always, please like, comment, and share. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.